Introductions. This 135mm f/2.8 from Jintu is designed for Canon f-mount DSLR cameras. Its short telephoto focal length makes it ideally suited for portraiture applications, and the fast f/2.8 maximum aperture affords extensive control over depth of field and also supports working in difficult lighting conditions. An HD super multi-coating has also been applied to individual elements in order to minimize flare and ghosting for improved contrast and color neutrality when shooting in bright or backlit situations. Additionally, the manual focus design offers precise control over focusing position, and a 6-blade diaphragm contributes to a pleasing bokeh quality to further enhance shallow depth of field images. The 85mm f1.8 lenses are manual focus primes, designed to give exceptional results at wide apertures. It produces sharp and clear images at all apertures. With f1.8 maximum aperture and internal focus, the lens is designed to produce beautiful background blur, ideal for portraits and natural images. It inherits its predecessor's ultra-fast f/1.8 maximum aperture and rounded 6-blade diaphragm for superior depth of field control and background blur. The premium lens is made up of all metal body and high index, low dispersion multi-coated HD optical glass, no plastic, no electronics to minimize the chances of breaking down. Its multi-layer lens coating reduces flare and ghosting, a common problem with digital cameras, and also creates an optimum color balance. The standard zoom lens with its natural angle of view and perspective captures the subject plainly, making it excellent for portraits and images that require a natural depth of field. Jintu 650 to 1300mm high-definition manual focus super telephoto zoom lens is perfect for the professional and amateur photographer alike. A lens set to f/8 will now be f/16. There is a built-in rotating tripod mount for easily attaching to your tripod or monopod. It's an extremely powerful telephoto zoom lens with the versatility that you need. This lens is great for the wildlife or nature photographer who wants to be hidden while taking photos of the subject. When combined with the included T-mount to fit your camera system, this super telephoto works on both full-frame cameras, as well as the app's C-style digital SLR cameras. You can use the lens in M manual exposure mode or A aperture priority mode only. Advances in ultra-high index low dispersion optical glasses, new barrel materials, and exotic anti-reflection coatings, along with the latest in computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, are combined to produce lenses of unprecedented quality. Diamond cut from crystal clear water white optical glass, Jintu lenses are ground and polished to a precise precision. This Jintu 500mm manual ultra telephoto multi-coated mirror lens is a brand new lens. Incredibly compact and lightweight, this lens is ideally suited for sports and wildlife photography. It has a fixed aperture of f/6.3, which is faster than most other 500mm lenses. This lens attaches to your camera with the included T-mount adapter and works with autofocus cameras in manual mode. When combined with the T-mount to fit your camera system, this mirror lens mounts to camera and works on both full-frame cameras, as well as the app's C-style digital SLR cameras. T-mounts are available for all the digital SLR systems, as well as for C-mount systems. As such, you can use the lens in M manual exposure mode or A aperture priority mode only. This lens has a broad diameter and stocky build, making it a bit easier to handle than a normal refractor lens. Introduction: Jintu 8mm f3.5 is a manual focus lens, offers the utmost in optical construction, including ultra-low dispersion lens elements and moisture and dust-proof seal on the all-metal mount. Low dispersion glass offers superior sharpness and color correction by minimizing chromatic aberration. The lens is built with 10 elements in 7 groups with Jintu's patented optical structure to provide image clarity and color. The f3.5 maximum aperture complements working in difficult lighting. Ultra nano crystal multi-coating eliminates lens element reflections and reduces ghost and flare. Freedom from ordinary pictures. The Jintu 8mm fisheye lens achieves an ultra-wide picture angle of 180 degrees on digital SLR cameras, while remaining compact and lightweight. Its unique fisheye bending effect with edge-to-edge sharpness opens up entirely new composition possibilities. tried different viewpoints and angles to turn ordinary scenes into extraordinary photographs. And with a minimal focus distance of just 12 inches, you can get an entirely new perspective on just about any subject you shoot.